Tama ba? Tama na? Kinabisado ko sa kotse kanina. Mayang hapon sa inyo tanan. And of course, sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon sa Santa Lucia Mall, ma'am, especially sa aking kaibigan na si Miss Leia, the big boss of Asia Slashes, together with Kuya Chris. Thank you for inviting me here. Matagal ko nang gusto bumalik dito sa Davao. Babalik pala tayo through Miss Jo. Ayan. So thank you so much. Miss Jo, I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for having me. I'm so grateful to be part of this wonderful journey of yours. I just hope that sa lampas successful ventures that you're going to enter in your life. So good luck and more power to you and your family. God bless. And of course, even to Santa Lucia Mall, I can see that it's newly open. I heard, Ma'am, inviting you pala pag fully open na talaga to. So yun, yes, good luck po sa St. Santa Lucia. So once again, thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa inyo naman. Thank you.
So, before we start the blessing, would you like to have an photo op and blessing? Father?